Awesome, I'm on the air and standing by. I'm actually currently waiting for my friend to show up, but I thought I'd play a little bit of Minecraft. He wants me to try out the Lord of the Rings online. I'm looking forward to it, but he wants me to play on his account, at least until they can straighten out the login problem, because I'm definitely not going to plug my data on secure network. So anyways, let's go ahead and get started. Oh, I'm looking at the wrong screen. Okay, here we go. Maximize. Oh, actually, I want to check out our server. Connecting. Can you do it faster? Alright. Currently working on a house, and yes, I have actually decided to play in a little bit of creative mode just to build this. It'll take a long time to grow these many trees to so many logs. Alrighty. Ah, yes. You guys probably want to check out the sonic screwdriver that I got. I'm going to go ahead and switch over. Alright. It actually has 4 different lighting modes. It's actually got... Oh. There we go. You want a closer look? Oh, that was odd. Okay, I wonder if the other ones do it too. Huh, okay. I thought this was supposed to be a toy. Let's try the other mode. Huh, I hope it's not messing up my computer. I think I'm going to put this thing away for now. My video is back to normal, so it doesn't look like any damage is done to my machine. Should I send this back to Amazon? I don't know. Hang on a second, I got a text. It's just my friend asking me if I went on live. But I don't see him viewing yet. Let's see now. I'll wait till he gets on. But I just have to make sure I keep this thing away from the screen. Or the camera. Okay, so anyways. Really? I gotta... Oh, okay. He says he's watching. Okay, I'm gonna show this off again. Sonic screwdriver that I got from Amazon. But I've just noticed that it's got a problem. See, if I bring it closer to the screen here, it kind of messes with my camera. Yeah. So, here I could do it back here. Doesn't matter what mode. So anyways, yeah. Actually, I'm just messing with you guys. I got this static thing that I got... oh, man. Hang on a second. Set this up real quick. Huh, well. Screen capture. All right. See this thing right here? Oh, it's a little bit different on the screen. This is actually called a Giphy, but it does like a static thing. So if I click on that, which is actually this, it's just the alignment is off. And that's the kind of effect that I've actually installed. However, it doesn't cover the entire screen. So if you actually look over here, you can see a little bit of Minecraft on the side there. So it's a little bit of a prank. But this is actually kind of fun to have since, you know, I'm a big Doctor Who fan, and this is probably the coolest screwdriver I've ever come across. So anyways, I'm going to actually see if my friend's ready to start this Lord of the Rings thing. He's actually watching me right now, so hello, whenever you're ready. Or unless you want to play some Minecraft. Do you want to do Skype so people can hear you rather than see you, or vice versa? I think people would rather probably hear you. It would be nice to actually be able to do both, but we have to make a choice. I don't quite have a huge chunk of money to spend on this software to actually get that right to do both on Skype. Another text, that's his way of communication right now. Discord. Okay. Discord it shall be. Although I don't think people can hear you if I use Discord. I could hear you, but that's it. But we'll see if we can tweak that or fix it. Alright. Start voice call, maybe? I can hear you, but can the channel hear you? That is the ultimate question. I didn't think so. When we're using Skype, though, we could hear you, but we could not see you. Or maybe I got that backwards. Well, you're actually coming through on my headphones, not my computer speakers. Probably if I was to reroute you to my computer speakers and turn it up, I might, although, get a bit of an echo with that setup. So people would hear me echoing. Okay, I'll disconnect on Discord and open up Skype. I probably shut that down too soon. Gotta shut down. Okay, I didn't want that covering up my screen there. Here he comes, Skype. Shows he's away. I'm going to go ahead and shut down Minecraft here. I know this video is going to be mistitled. I probably will start anew. Okay, sorry guys, I'm going to shut this video down. I'm sure you guys aren't going to wait for the tedious long wait for me to switch games. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the Sonic Screwdriver prank. Laters for now. Okay, for some reason the stream does not want to shut down. Oh.